It's life. I fight with no belts up for grabs. I deserve to be the nigga with the belt in my hand, cause I still ain't got no losses. Get it with enforcers, sit amongst the bosses until I'm in a coffin. Freedom in a fortress, so substitute my fortune. I picked up my piece and I threw away precaution. Lyrical extortion, facts I don't distort them. Before problems go for pussies, trust me, I abort them. Next day pill, I'm next day real. Fuck around, you never find out how your next day feel. Yeah, I see a little crew and I suggest stay chill. Cause my niggas just like those niggas, except they real. Them shoot first niggas, expect they will. Break your legs for running for respect, they kill. Crack your egg with lead just to get they meal. I bring the cop to church and I suggest they kneel. Let's go. We taking everything except for losses and treat the studio like our corporate office. With no employees, just a bunch of bosses. You can ride with the team, that's the final offer. I give a fuck if you pop a conscience. Like I woke you out of coma, I'ma stop the nonsense. I tee off for the bread like a fucking golfer. You can ride and get rolled on, that's your final offer.
I'm trying to get a franchise in the same white tee. Pay for money, whatever the game might play. I'm real, won't recognize if you ain't like me. If you ain't struggled through the pain and remain like me. One of the last of a dying breed. Tight fit, but never mind the squeeze. Lifeless due to the chronic leaves. Ball hard, you in the minor leagues. Survive hell with just a minor breeze. Move at a lightning speed. Boss hyenas gon' stay Jewish. Hit hard and kill niggas like Ray Lewis. Throw a bullet at your chest like Peyton do. Massacre your whole camp like Jason do. Stay in the tune with the bottom but reside at the top. It's the hood and the goons that decide that I'm hot. Fuck fame, give me cash and I thrive for the props. Bitch niggas don't say shit but playing loud for the cops.
Good money.
Taking everything except for losses and treat the studio like a corporate office. With no employees, just a bunch of bosses. You can ride with the team, that's the final offer.
Big 4.
I give a fuck if you pop a conscience.
5,
like I woke you out of
6.
coma, I'ma stop the nonsense. I tee off for the
Big 7.
like a fucking golfer. You can ride again,
8, 9.
Just like
my nigga.
Back on that nonsense, relapse and be back on track, spitting arson. The only nigga talk to me is the conscience, and even he shut the fuck up when the boss spit.
Okay.
More than all that, homie, I'm
nice.
on list, and you can either move or be moved by the cartridge. Obnoxious, no sense of caution. Had to get a full hand to throw the cards in, and I'ma bet it all. Always ready to set it
8.
off, never fail, homie.
Make it look easy, Chief. One more.
Let's get it on, feel the sweat in my palms, and you already know I'm heavy when the weapons
Big 9.
on. I fear not.
I mean, no. I'm in 10. I'm sorry. I got you. Go ahead.
And I'm a pure breed, not on that mixed shit. The game is fucked up, and I'm about to fix shit.
We're taking everything except for losses and treat the studio like our corporate office. With no employees, just a bunch of bosses. You can ride with the team, that's the final
Damn,
offer.
Chief.
I give a fuck if you pop a conscience. Like I woke you out of coma, I'ma stop the nonsense.
Nice.
I tee off for the bread like a fucking golfer. You can ride again, bro.
Make it look so easy. I lost count. I think you got like 2 more.
It's life.
One more.
I fight with no belts up for grabs. I deserve to be the nigga with the belt in my hand, cause I still ain't got no losses. Get it with it.
Got him paid a lot,
with a hook.
You see how we do all my niggas is holding. Street movement, all my niggas is rolling. So got people popping off for the piece of the pie. You see how we do all my niggas is holding. Street movement, all my niggas is rolling. So my people going up trying to touch the sky.
Smoke,
Sky.
Yo, perfected isolation, ain't nobody next to me. They all birds, you could just look at their chest and see. They rather heart to heart than ever chest to chest with me. Living in hell, man, is bringing out the best in me. You could look up in the brain, you would see, I know. Got the world in the cobra like a G.I. Joe. He got holes in his game, shit he needs to sow. I'm a perfect fit, just like some Levi's though. Nigga, I need my dough, cheese, the cash of the green. Fake niggas don't show face so they can mask on the schemes. One day it's a nightmare. Text I'm having a dream, the balance is everything. How the mask is the beam, heavy stacking. I ain't spent no cash since the weeks, never yapping. Rather lose my accent to speak. I'm a pro, I spit in pain and got them gas in these streets. How the fuck a nigga that's fool still asking for beef?
You see how we do all my niggas is holding. Street movement, all my niggas is rolling. So my people popping off for the piece of the pie.
Yes sir, yes sir.
You see how we do all my niggas is holding. Street movement, all my niggas is rolling. So my people going up trying to touch the sky.
Let's go.
Sky.
Yes.
Fill up the page till I hollow the pen. If money is the root of evil, then I'm swallowing sin. You see the devil in my eyes when I swallow the gin. I don't know how to pretend. He ain't himself, we just follow the trends. And I ain't trying to be compared with the rest. I spit the shit from the heart. It feels like you got your ear to my chest. Straight to the top, I done veered through the pests. They didn't care for my breath and took for granted when they was hearing the best. I'm getting closer to these dreams I never knew would occur. We're getting money, no pads, and the truth to concur. To the naked eye, this will be what you would prefer. But them dreams and realities roots defer, right? It always feels like I'll be left in the dark. Steady shooting for the stars, but I'm guessing my mark. I try to find a little light, just to lessen my parts. How to love when my life is close to death in my heart. Damn.
Yes, sir. One.
All my niggas is rolling. You know how we do. You see how we do. All my niggas is rolling. All my niggas is rolling. This is for my people going up, trying to touch the sky.
Since Big had niggas listening with 2 Glock 9s, Bud had my eyes glistening like 2 stop signs. It's a kid with Obama's voice and Tupac's mind. Son, I'm equal with a legend, so that makes me top 9. They wanna compare me and I tell them stop trying. They kinda spit like me, now I tell them stop lying. They want me to sell you the shit that I'm not buying. Sisters still crying, niggas still dying. Bullshit still flying with the ignorant carrier. Every time I drop jewels, like I'm breaking the barrier. But if you stand for the niggas that'll stand in your head, how you know with the hand of a gun or grabbing with lead? How many real motherfuckers understand what I said? As I'm shooting for the stars, my shit jamming instead. So I punch, grab, and kick for it. At lunch, acting ignorant, saying grace for peace, tend to beef like a hypocrite. Ain't shit to do a race when I say I get some nigga.
You see how we do. All my niggas is holding. All my niggas is rolling. This is for my people popping off for their piece of their pie. You see how we do.